Hello everyone, I'm back with another prop from Aliexpress. It's a really good one, this one. Visually, it's a really good one. It's quite simple to do. It comes with instructions, English and Chinese. And this is what we were using to create the smoke. I'll show you how it's done. So you get yourself a coin, break a piece off, put it on top of the coin, and get yourself a lighter. And light it. And you just wait till it's finished burning off. It stinks. Yeah, it does smell. And once it's finished burning off, you'll wait about 30 seconds for it to cool down, and get rid of the ash, and you're left with an oil. Now what you do is you can put this in your pocket, this coin, until you're ready to do your illusion, and just put your finger in your pocket, rub your finger on the oil like that, or a few fingers if you want. And you only need a bit, believe it or not. You don't need that much of it. This will last quite a long time, for about 5 tricks maybe. When it comes to doing your trick, whatever trick it might be, you basically just rub your fingers together and it'll give off a smoke. And it does, depending on how much you put on, it can last for quite a while. You can see it's still giving off smoke there now. So yeah, that was only I don't know, about $2 or something. And for $2, that is really it's an amazing prop. It's a really good prop to add to your illusion repertoire. So yeah, there's a link in the description. Check it out. Thanks.